Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today our question is a times b plus c is equal to 10. It is our first equation, and a plus b times c is equal to 14. So it is our second equation. Now we have to solve this problem for the values of a, b and c. So we have to solve all possible values of a, b and c. But remember that here a, b and c is the element of positive integer. These three belongs to positive integer. So starting our solution, first of all, let's say it is our equation 1 and it is equation 2. Now we are going to just add equation 1 and equation 2. So here we have adding that equation number 1 and equation number 2. Here we have that ab plus c, it is left hand side of equation 1, and left hand side of equation 2 is a plus bc. We have just added. Similarly 10 plus 14, it is the right hand sides of that equation 1 and 2. So here we have this ab, writing this a here, then we get a and plus bc plus c is equal to 10 plus 14 is equal to 24. Now here if we just take a as common from this pair, so we get b plus 1 inside bracket, and here if we take c is common, we have b plus 1, which is equal to 24. Now we see that this b plus 1 is common term, so we are going to take common b plus 1. Here we get a and plus c, which is equal to 24. So b plus 1 times a plus c is equal to 24. Now as we know that here this b plus 1 and a plus c both belongs to positive integer, so this 24 can be factorized like this, that if we are going to just factorize this 24, writing the factors of 24, then first of all we have to write that 1 times 24 is 24. Similarly 24 times 1 is 24, and here we have 2 times 12 is 24, and 12 times 2 is 24. So 3 times 8 is 24, and 8 times 3 is 24. Similarly 4 times 6 is 24, and 6 times 4 is 24. These are all possible factors of 24. Now we see that it is let's say it is our first case. It is case 1, it is case 2, and it is case 3. Similarly it is case 4, 5 and 6. Here we have, so here we have that it is our, actually it is our 1, sorry, it is 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So these are our 8 cases. Here we have to solve these 8 cases individually. First of all we have to write this case number 1. So our case 1 is 1 times 24. Now b plus 1 times a plus c is equal to 1 times 24. By system of equation, this factor is equal to 1 and this one is equal to 24. So b plus 1 is equal to 1. Here a plus c is equal to 24. Now here we have value of p is 1 minus 1 is 0. So we get the value of p is 0. Now here we have this a plus c is equal to 24. So if we just recall our equation number, this one, that our equation 1, so our equation 1 is ab plus c is equal to 10. So here we have ab plus c is equal to 10. Recalling this equation, that a times b plus c is equal to 10. Now here if we just put the value of b, then we get a times b is 0 plus c is equal to 10. So a times 0 is 0, so we have the value of c is equal to 10. Now we can also find the value of a by using this c in this equation. then we have it is a plus c is equal to 24. So we have a plus the value of c is 10 is equal to 24. Here we get a is equal to 24 minus 10 is 14. So we have three values here, that a, b and c. Now in first case we get the values of a, b and c is equal to a is 14, b is 0, here b is 0 and c is 10. So it is our first pair of value from case number 1. Now we are going to just solve. It is our first value. Now solving case number 2. Again we are going to recall b plus 1 times a plus c is equal to 24 times 1. It is our case number 2, that is 24 times 1. Now b plus 1 is equal to 24 and a plus c is equal to 1. Here we have b is equal to 24 minus 1 is 23. Now here if we just find the value of a, so value of a, shifting this one, then we get 1 minus c. Now again recall equation 1. So equation 1 is a times b plus c is equal to 10, but the value of a is 1 minus c and value of b is 23 plus c is equal to 10. Here we have 23 times 1 is 23 minus 23 times c is 23c plus c is equal to 10. Now we get minus 23 plus c, minus 23c plus c is minus 22c, and 10 here we have plus 23 will be minus 23. So our next step will be minus 22c is equal to minus 13. Here we get minus 13, cancelling this negative sign, so we get the value of c is 13 over 22. But here we see that this value of c is actually, there is no integer. So if there is no integer, then we don't take this value of c here. So this is rejected because we are given that a, b, c all or belongs to that positive integer. So this case 2 is cancelled out, it is rejected. Now we are going to take our case number 3 here. So case number 3 is 2 times 12. Now case 3, that is b plus 1 times a plus c is equal to 2 times 12. 2 times 12. So here we have b plus 1 is equal to 2 and a plus c is equal to 12. So b is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. So we have the value of b is 1. Now here we have a plus c is equal to 12. So a is equal to 12 minus c. Now here we are going to just recall our equation 1 again. So equation 1 is ab plus c is equal to 10. Now putting the value of a, which is 12 minus c, times b is 1 plus c is equal to 10. Here we have that value of 12 minus c times 1. Here we get it is 12 minus c times 1 is c plus c is equal to 10, cancelling plus c minus c, so 12 is equal to 10. So there is no solution. Again this case is also rejected, so we are going to reject. Now solving our case number 4, and our case 4 is b plus 1 times a plus c is equal to 12 times 2. 12 times 2. Now here b plus 1 is equal to 12 and a plus c is equal to 2. Now we have b is equal to 12 minus 1, so we get the value of b is 11. Now a is equal to 2 minus c, again recalling our equation 1. So equation 1 is ab plus c is equal to 10. Here we have value of a is 2 minus c, putting the value of a, and similarly value of b is 11 plus c is equal to 10. Now, so 11 times 2 is 22 minus 11c plus c is equal to 10. So minus 11c plus c we get minus 10c, which is equal to 10 minus, shifting this one, we have minus 22. Now minus 10c and 10 minus 22, we have that minus 10c is equal to minus 12, cancelling negative sign. C is equal to 12 divided by 10. 12 divided by 10. So here 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10, we get 6 divided by 5, and 6 divided by 5, here we see that 6 divided by 5 is actually no solution, because there is no integer. So if there is no integer, then we are going to again reject it, this case. So case number 4 is also rejected. Now our case 5 is given by, that is case number 5 is 3 times 8. Here we have 3 times 8, it is our case number 5. So b plus 1 times a plus c is equal to 3 times 8. Now here b plus 1 is equal to 3 and a plus c is equal to 8. We have the value of b is 3 minus 1 is 2. So now value of b is 2, and here a is equal to 8 minus c. Now recalling equation 1, so our equation 1 is a times b plus c is equal to 10. Putting the value of a, which is 8 minus c, times b is 2 plus c is equal to 10. Here we have 2 times 8 is 16 minus 2c plus c is equal to 10. So minus 2c plus c we get minus c, which is equal to 10 minus 16. Here we have value of c is equal to minus c is equal to minus 6. Cancelling negative sign, we have c is equal to 6. So it is positive integer. Now we have to find the value of a. So for finding the value of a, we just put this value of 6 in this equation. So here we have a is equal to 8 minus 6, which is equal to 2. So a is equal to 2. Here we have three values of that a, b and c. Now we get the solution here. Here our solution is the value of a, b and c is a is equal to 2, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 6. So we get another solution from case number 5. Now writing our case number 6. Case 6 is given by b plus 1 times a plus c is equal to a times 3. A times 3. Now we have b plus 1 is equal to 8 and a plus c is equal to 3. Here we have the value of b, which is equal to 8 minus 1 is 7. So here a is equal to 3 minus c. Now we are going to recall our equation 1. So equation 1 is given by a times b plus c is equal to 10. So a is 3 minus c and b is 7 plus c is equal to 10. So here the 7 times 3 is 21 minus 7c plus c is equal to 10. Here we get minus 7c plus c is minus 6c, and 10 minus 21 we get minus 11. Now negative sign is cancelled, so c is equal to 11 divided by 6 here. So 11 divided by 6, so there is no positive integer. We are going to just reject it. Now our case number 6 is given by that not case number 6 but 7. Case number 7 here. Our case number 7 is 4 times 6 is equal to 24. Here we have 4 times 6. So our final case is 6 times 4. And b plus 1 times a plus c is equal to 4 times 6. Now we have b plus 1 is equal to 4 and a plus c is equal to 6. Here value of b is 3 4 minus 1 is 3. So here a is 6 minus c. Just recalling our equation 1, which is a times b plus c is equal to 10. So here a is 6 minus c and value of b is 3 plus c is equal to 10. 6 times 3 is 18 minus 3 times c is 3c plus c is equal to 10. So minus 3c plus c we get minus 2c is equal to 10 minus 18 we get minus 8. Now cancelling a negative sign on both hand side, we get the value of c. Here we have the value of c is actually that minus 2c. So we have 8 divided by 2. Then we get c is equal to 2 times 4 is 8. So value of c is equal to 4. Now here the value of a will be, a is equal to 6 minus c. So a is equal to 6 minus 4 is 2. Here putting the value of c, then we get a is equal to 2. So we have the solution of a, b and c. That is equal to a is 2 and value of b is 3, c is 4. So it is our solution. And if we are going to just solve our case number 8, so from case number 8 we get again a non-integer solution. So hence if we just write our final answer here, that our final answer will be that a, b and c is equal to, here we have our first pair of value, that is from case number 1, which is given by that 14, 0 and 10. It is from case number 1, 14, 0 and 10. Similarly we have another our case number, that is case number which one, which is 5. So here we get the value of a, b and c is 2, 2 and 6. Here we get 2, 2 and 6. So writing here, then we have 2, 2 and 6. So we get the final value, which is from case 3, that 2, 3, 4. Here it is 2, 3 and 4. So it is our final solution. Now we are going to check our entire solution here step by step. I hope you have understand all these steps one by one. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting contents. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.